welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today is officially National Egg Day, so we are going to be making a sweet potato crusted quiche. So we're going to start off with either 2 large sweet potatoes or 3 medium-sized, peeled and chopped, 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves, 2 cups of cheese, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, salt and pepper, and I'm going to be adding a half package of our chicken sausage. I'm going to be using mild today, and 6 eggs.